With the Event Handler feature in the Soracom User Console, you'll be able to build automations based on SIM events. This could be when a SIM status changes or the data usage exceeds a particular limit in order to send an email notification, throttle or disable a SIM, execute a webhook. There's tons of possibilities. This is one video of a series on SIM management in the Soracom User Console, so be sure to reference this playlist to learn more about the tools available for SIM management with Soracom. Event handlers can be applied to a single subscriber, a SIM with one or more subscriptions, a group of SIMs, or to all the SIMs in your account. Let's look at how it's done.
To create an event handler, log into your Soracom User Console account. In the menu, click on Event Handler. Click on the Create Event button. In the dialog, enter the configuration parameters, including name, required to identify the event handler, description, an optional brief of its purpose, target, required to identify the subscribers that the event handler will be applied to, rule, the required condition that must be met to trigger an event handler action, action, one or more required steps to perform when the rule conditions are met, and active, to enable or disable the event handler. When you have it filled into your liking, click the Create button. For a full list of configuration parameters, variables, and limitations, click the link in the description for event handler documentation. To edit an event handler, open the event handler in the menu of your Soracom User Console. Select the event handler that you wish to update from the list of options. Enter the new event handler configuration parameters and click Update. To delete the event handler, select it and click Delete. Click Delete again to confirm.
Automating alerts for the SIMs that you have deployed will give you more control and transparency on what's going on, especially in large deployments. Check out more videos like this on SIM management in the Soracom User Console using the link provided. See you in the next one.